everybody, today I will show you how to install CSR1000V in your laptop, and then you can integrate it with GNS3. We will use here VirtualBox and GNS3. Actually, CSRV is an iOS XE, so if you are trying to training to ASR1K, ASR900, all of this series, you can download it. It's free in Cisco site and you can integrate it. First, let me show you where to download it from Cisco site. This is Cisco site. You can go at the bottom of the page and go to downloads direct. From downloads you can select products, routers, and from routers you can select virtual routers, cloud service router 1000V, and then you will go to the site iOS XE software, and here you will find what you can download. For me I can find some releases that are licensed and some releases that you can download. You can download some of these releases. For me, I have downloaded this release. This release is free, you can download it. Here you are having two options, the OVA file and the ISO file. Actually, when I download the OVA file, I always face error during importing to VirtualBox, so I will do it using the ISO one. So I will download the ISO one. When you download it, you should log in, and after login you should accept their agreement and you can download it. You can log in with your account and download it. Let's go now to the VirtualBox and start to build the virtual router. This is our VirtualBox. Okay, let me draw, and okay, this is a working one now. Let me close it. Actually, it's working here, so let me close that. Save. Okay, now you can go to new, and from new we will select Linux one because this is based in Linux, but here we will use other, and from other we will use other unknown 64-bit one, and we can say it CSR1000V2 because I have number one here. Continue. Select amount of RAM here. We recommend, actually Cisco recommend to operate at minimum at 4 gig of RAM, so we will use this value. Continue. Okay, let's create a virtual disk now. Create. We will use the VMTK one and continue. Okay, dynamically allocated, it's okay, continue. And this is the creation of the hard disk. Okay, now you will find that the router here created at your list of VMs. Let's go to each setting. Okay, from these settings we have some things to change. First, for the ports, we should enable a serial port. You can leave it as disconnected. The serial port will act as the console port for your router. And for network, you can enable all of the adapters. I will make all of them not attached, as they are not connected to anything, but I will enable all of the 4 cards or 4 ports here. And then go to storage. From storage you can first, here you download an ISO file. The ISO file can be used here as your optical drive. Okay, then I will choose virtual optical disk file, and I will select the file I need. Here I will select, let me get it, and here is our file. Select open, and now we are ready. Okay, then let's start. Okay, it will give you some error about the sound card or something, but you no issues from this. Then go your authentication. Now you will start to install your image from the optical drive to your hard drive, so it will go. It will install your ISXE to your hard drive. Let it go with its booting and installation. Actually, it is taking some time during the installation. Now it will reboot. Now, during this reboot, you can stop your before this reboot, you can stop it from booting from your optical drive, and you can boot direct from the hard drive. Here it will boot from your hard drive also. It's booting now, but this is booting from hard drive after installing the IS to your hard drive. And here it's completing, it's booting. You don't like to enter the initial configuration dialog. Then here the router is booted. First configuration you should do here from VirtualBox after the first boot of the device to enable the serial port to be the console port. So you should put this command platform console serial, and that's it. Right, so now it's completed. Now you can stop this one. Okay, power off the machine, and that's okay. Now we are done here with VirtualBox. We can close it. Then we can go to our DNS tree. From our DNS tree, we will go to our settings, preferences, go to the VirtualBox, and then create a new one. It will update from the VirtualBox. This is the VM list we are having, and this is our new ASR. Finish. After importing it, you should change some settings. Go to edit. Okay, we will enable the remote console. Okay, and start in headless mode. You don't want to start your VirtualBox console at the same time, and then that's okay. For the RAM, you should make it the same. For the network adapters, you should make it 4 adapters as we agreed, and that's okay. Okay, now you can add your new virtual ASR. Then let's start it and check it. And now it's going to start. We can see now the router is booting. It will take also some time to boot here.
now you can see the router just boot and you can use it in your GNS3. Thank you for viewing and hope the video was informative for you.